Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. If my outfit looks familiar, that is because I recorded a 3 a day. The first video, I think I showed you guys some of the Pure One things that I had, and then I went upstairs and I worked on the council table, which as you can see, I kind of tweaked things just a little bit. I'm still kind of playing around with it until it's actually finalized. And then I did a try on haul with Express. So if you guys did not see that video, I will be linking it behind here. That way you guys can see that. And now I decided to do a night routine. I know I did one when I first moved into the house, but like I said, every single night is very different. And this night in particular was really different. This is the first time that I can say that I'm actually like moved into the house. So I'm getting settled, I'm buying different things here and there, and I'm gonna be sharing those things with you guys. But for right now, my interest is lighting up my candle. Like I said, I have a total of 3 of these candles. So I have one downstairs in the kitchen, and then I have one upstairs in the master. So tonight, because of all the work that I was doing and I got a lot accomplished, I wanted to treat myself to a nice candle in a hot bath. So once I light my candle, I'm then gonna go ahead and prep myself for my shower for tonight. Things are not 100% organized, let me just say that now, but they're at least in arm's reach, even though I'm on my tippy toes. But I'm getting my towel, I'm also getting my washcloth, and I'm getting all of like my facial things and my skincare, my perfume and everything like that. So when I come out the shower, I'll be good and ready. So now that I'm done with my shower, I'm going to go ahead and start with my skincare. The first thing that I'm going to do is go in with my toner. I did purchase LA Beauty's toner, and if I remember, I'm going to link it here, that way you guys can see it. But hers smell really nice, and I love the overall packaging of her toner. But for tonight, I'm going to go ahead and use what I have. I did not feel like going in my car to go retrieve hers. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the pharmacy. Again, this is another product that was referred by LA Beauty. She is an esthetician here on YouTube, and I really have been enjoying watching her skincare videos. Even though I have not been on top of my skincare for the past month, because I've just been like up and down, renovations. The last thing that I was really taking care of is my skin and my person. So today I was like, you know what, I have the time, let me go ahead and do that. And that is really what I wanted to focus on, was just doing some of my skincare. And this right here is just a skin hydrating oil. Once everything is done, I put that on my face. You guys, here is LA Beautyologist, her toner that she recommends, and she sells it on her website. I've had it now for a little bit. I've only used it once because, you know, the back and forth originally from like Atlanta to Savannah, from my ex house to my house, I haven't really been settled. But now that I'm getting a little bit settled into the house, again, I'm gonna definitely try to keep up with my skincare regimen. What I really love about her toner is this right here. You would pretty much take your hand or whatever you're using, and you would pump it on here, and then you would go ahead and do your face. You're not pouring into it. So I think it has a little bit more control on the release. But anyway, just wanted to share with you guys this product. It's not sponsored, not anything, but like I said, I have been watching her videos, and I think what she's sharing is definitely great. This guy right here is the Clean Bee Pharmacy Cleanser. I don't know if she recommended this one or if I just picked it up when I went into Sephora, but I really liked it. So I use this, and as you can see, this is what I've just been using to wash my face every single day. In one of the posts that she made, she said Cetaphil was not a good facial cleanser because it really didn't do anything for your face. It had nothing in it. Your dermatologist tell you to use it because they know like you're not going to break out. But then she gave some other recommendations. So I was like, you know what? I was in the store already. So I went on ahead and I purchased the pharmacy, which she loved. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Buying everything was a little pricey, but I have been loving my face. Even though I haven't been doing every single thing, I still try to incorporate some of the steps. And once I'm done with all of that, I did wash my hands with the facial stuff, and now I'm putting on my Jo Malone. You may consider this to be a waste to put this on at night, but this is why I buy the product. I love smelling good. Like, I absolutely love it. So I wear the Jo Malone in the daytime, and I also wear it at night just because it smells amazing, and I feel like I sleep better once I know like things are clean and put together and I smell really good and I'm taking a nice hot shower. It feels amazing. Let me know what some of your night routine is and what makes you feel like really good once like it's time for bedtime, regardless of what it may be. So now that I'm done with my shower, I've done my skincare, and I've pretty much cleaned after myself. The boys are now making their rounds to take a shower, and I am in the bed tucked, and I am feeling quite amazing, if I might say so myself. But while I'm laying in the bed, I'm focusing on one, replying back to comments on YouTube, replying back to comments on Instagram, checking out my community, and just doing a quick scan / overview of my social platforms just in general. I like to do this sometime in the afternoon and then right before bed. That way I kind of handled everything. But what I am doing currently is, because we're under quarantine, I am going to order my groceries, you guys. So Publix does door deliveries. If you guys did not know that, it is called Instacart. You can just download the app on your phone, and no, this is not sponsored. I really love it. I really enjoy it. And I already had in mind the products that I needed. So I typed it in, it pulled up, and I just selected what I wanted to go into my cart, and I set it for delivery for the next day. And you guys, like I said, this is so freaking easy. I actually needed quite a bit of products. I needed seasoning, I needed oil, I needed fresh vegetables. This is actually going to be my first grocery haul in the house, you guys. Like, first grocery haul and first set of groceries, like actual groceries. When I was buying things before, I was just getting a little bit of water, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But now, like, I'm buying everything. I told you guys on my live, I was like, hold me to it. I promise I'm gonna start cooking. Pretty much, I'm picking up all the products that I need to make my Haitian épices. That way, when I start cooking, you guys will have that also. So this is the quick overview of my cart, you guys. I got seasoning, I got veggies, I got fruits, I got some yogurts for the kids. I purchased cereal and everything. The kids are eating every 2 to 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. If your kids are eating that much in your house, please let me know. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my shopping, and I'll talk to you guys for a little bit. But I feel really, really good. Took a nice hot shower, did my whole face thing. I have been slacking on just using anything on my face. Period. Just literally been washing my face, and that's it. But I'm gonna go back to like really taking my time and doing all that stuff. Before, I really didn't have a choice to do it because I was wearing makeup because I was going to see clients. But I'm so tired nowadays. Hey you guys, so it's the next morning, and let me just say, I am loving Instacart. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. Hold on a second. I am really excited because it's only 11 o'clock and my groceries are here. My groceries are here. I had already cleaned the refrigerator out, but the styrofoam seemed like it was just struggling to come out the fridge. So there were still 1 or 2 little specks that was in the fridge. Plus, I did house some other items in there. I got a lot of frozen vegetables because I still want to eat my vegetables. So let me just say now, I did wipe down the plastic bag and also the items inside the bag with Lysol wipes. When I had the food delivered, I selected leave at the front door, so that way they didn't have to ring the bell or knock on the door. All they did was just send a text that said your food's in front of the door, and my phone chimed, and I waited about 5 to 10 minutes. When they left, And then I put gloves on and I wiped everything down, the inside, the outside, and all the items inside of the bag. And then I brought the items inside of the house. Now, I did watch a video a few days ago where the guy was doing a massive breakdown on how to do everything. I will leave it in the description box in case you guys are interested. I do my best not to leave the house, but if I have to, I do my best to make sure that I am leaving for essential needs only and not anything crazy, because honestly, the best thing for us to do right now is to really stay in to kind of minimize exposure. Alright, you guys, for right now, this is basically all I have in the fridge. I have frozen vegetables in the freezer, and then I have my fresh vegetables, which I'm going to be making my ippies. I have some water in the fridge, but I also have some in the pantry. And because the kids are out of school, I just really wanted to have like the little yogurts, the fruits and stuff. I think I'll do the fruits probably like on a weekly basis for delivery. But then everything else, I'll do my best to cook. I did purchase some salmon, I have chicken, and I have ground turkey, and I also have ground beef. Depending on your household, these things may be really different. The biggest thing that I want you guys to take from today's video is the Instacart for the home delivery. Keep in mind when everything came in, just to take your Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes and wipe the bags down. We do that every time. This is actually my second order with Publix, and I am loving it so much. I don't know why I never did this. I seen it, I was gonna test it out, but then I was just like, I don't know if I trust people picking out my I don't know if I want anyone to pick out my groceries, but at this point, like, I really don't want to go out if I don't have to. So this was definitely a great alternative, and I'm loving how everything looks in the new fridge. And this is actually like my first set of groceries in my refrigerator, you guys. It's kind of exciting. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish. Here is my new set of seasonings. I am really excited about this also, because again, this is my first set of official groceries in the house, and it just feels really good, because now it's starting to feel like home. So basically, like I said, when I was ordering the groceries, I wanted to get the things that I use all the time. So I have some Sazon, I have Maggie, which is the Beyond Cube. I also picked up the McCormick one skillet. I really love these because I can chop up my veggies, chop up whatever meat I want, and just pop it into a pot or a pan and put it into the oven, and I know that I have a really quick meal. Some other things that I have just really quickly, because I don't want to have you guys here forever. I have onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, some thyme, some rosemary, some brown sugar and some barbecue stuff, the barbecue seasoning, smoke. I have the cinnamon, the Himalayan salt. I have curry. I have vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar. This one here you're going to need to make the ippies. It is the olive oil, but it is the cold press. This is really good if you're making some sort of like sauce or your base. So I like this one. And then for cooking, I have this one here. Like I said, you don't have to do it. I also have this one here. And then I have my balsamic glaze, you guys, which is like so freaking good. I love it. And then of course I have my taco seasonings, meatloaf, and then my chicken. I love these a lot because I can literally put the meat in the bags, pop them into the oven, and know I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these items up in the cabinet. Once I'm done with putting up the groceries, I think I'm gonna go online and see if I can find one of those like tier organizers. I didn't get a lot of things for the fridge either because I want those containers so like everything can go in its own compartment and the fridge isn't left looking crazy. So I want to do that. If you enjoyed today's upload, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.